Imagine a plant that can eat meat. Yes, you heard it right. Nature is full of surprises, isn't it? Now let's delve into the intriguing world of carnivorous plants, a realm where the tables are turned and plants don't just sit there being eaten, they fight back. They trap, they kill, they feast. Brace yourself as we unveil the most incredible meat-eating plant you could ever imagine. It's a tale of survival, a testament to nature's inventiveness. Stay tuned to learn more about these fascinating creatures of the plant kingdom. Carnivorous plants, also known as meat-eating plants, are a unique and intriguing part of our ecosystem. Indeed, the world of carnivorous plants is as fascinating as it is diverse. These are plants that have turned the tables on the animal kingdom. Instead of being eaten, they are the ones doing the eating. But why? Why do these plants resort to eating meat? Well, the answer lies in their habitats. Carnivorous plants are typically found in areas where the soil is poor in nutrients, particularly nitrogen, such as acidic bogs and rock outcroppings. In these nutrient-starved environments, they can't get what they need from the soil, so they've evolved to get it from an unlikely source: insects and sometimes even small animals. Take, for instance, the iconic Venus flytrap. This plant, native to the subtropical wetlands of the east coast of the United States, has evolved to have leafy jaws which snap shut in a fraction of a second when an unsuspecting insect triggers its sensitive hairs. The Venus flytrap then secretes digestive juices, much like our stomachs do, to dissolve and consume its prey. Or consider the pitcher plant, a perfect example of a passive hunter. These plants have leaves that have evolved into a deep cavity filled with a sweet-smelling nectar to attract insects. The inside of the pitcher is slippery and downward-facing hairs make it difficult for the insects to climb out. Eventually, the insects tire and drown in the liquid at the bottom of the pitcher, which is a mixture of rainwater and digestive enzymes. In both examples, the plants are not just surviving in their harsh environments, they are thriving thanks to their carnivorous adaptations. It's quite a spectacle to watch these plants in action. They are slow, silent, and deadly to their prey. Yet they are also beautiful, intricate, and an essential part of the ecosystems they inhabit. These plants have evolved to trap and digest their prey, which is quite a spectacle to watch. Now get ready to be amazed by the most incredible meat-eating plant, the Nepenthes Rajah. Also known as the king of pitcher plants, the Nepenthes Rajah is a sight to behold. This fascinating plant is a native of the island of Borneo, particularly in the high-altitude areas of Mount Kinabalu and Mount Tambuyukan. Here it thrives in a unique habitat where the soil is poor in nutrients, but the climate is consistently cool and humid. The Nepenthes Rajah is renowned for its size. Each pitcher or trap of this plant can grow up to 35 centimeters in height and 15 centimeters in diameter. That's about the size of a 2-liter soda bottle. But what's more astounding is the volume of liquid each pitcher can hold, up to 2.5 liters. That's roughly half a gallon. This makes it one of the largest carnivorous plants by volume. The trapping mechanism of the Nepenthes Rajah is a marvel of nature. The plant lures its prey with a sweet, intoxicating nectar produced in the pitcher's lid. Once an unsuspecting insect, or in some cases a small animal, approaches the nectar, they slip on the pitcher's waxy rim and fall into the fluid-filled trap. The prey is then slowly digested by the plant's enzymes, providing a nutrient-rich meal that supplements the plant's diet. But what sets the Nepenthes Rajah apart from other carnivorous plants is its ability to catch not just insects, but also small animals. Yes, you heard right. There have been documented cases of this plant trapping and digesting rodents, lizards, and even birds. Its size and strength give it an unparalleled advantage in the world of carnivorous plants. So the next time you're hiking up Mount Kinabalu, keep an eye out for this incredible plant. But don't get too close, or you might just become its next meal. This plant can catch and digest not just insects, but even small animals. You might be wondering, how do these plants catch their prey? It's a fascinating process indeed. Carnivorous plants employ an array of intriguing mechanisms to trap their unsuspecting victims. These strategies include the snap trap, pitfall trap, flypaper trap, and suction trap. Each method is unique in its design and execution, demonstrating nature's creativity in the face of adversity. Firstly, let's delve into the snap trap mechanism. This is the modus operandi of the infamous Venus flytrap. The leaves of this plant are modified to snap shut when an insect or spider touches one of its sensitive hairs. It's a swift and efficient process, with the trap closing in just a fraction of a second. Next, we have the pitfall trap, a strategy employed by the pitcher plants. These plants have a deep cavity filled with digestive liquid. The rim of the pitcher is slippery, causing insects to lose their footing and fall into the liquid where they are broken down and absorbed by the plant. It's a classic case of look before you leap. The flypaper trap is as sticky as it sounds. Plants like the sundews are covered in sticky hairs that trap insects on contact. The more the insects struggle, the more entangled they become. It's a sticky situation indeed. Lastly, we have the suction trap, a mechanism used by the aquatic bladderworts. These plants have tiny bladder-like structures with a trapdoor. When a tiny creature swims by, it triggers the trapdoor to open, sucking the prey into the bladder where it is digested. It's an underwater surprise for the unsuspecting swimmer. Each of these trapping mechanisms is a testament to the resourcefulness of nature. These carnivorous plants have adapted these unique strategies to survive in nutrient-poor soils, capturing and digesting prey to supplement their nutritional intake. These ingenious traps are nature's way of helping these plants survive in nutrient-poor soils. Carnivorous plants are not just interesting to study, but they also play an important role in our ecosystem. In the grand scheme of things, carnivorous plants are the unsung heroes of the natural world. Their unique meat-eating habits allow them to survive in nutrient-poor soils that most plants would find inhospitable. By consuming insects and other small creatures, they're able to obtain the necessary nutrients to grow and flourish. This adaptation makes them key players in the preservation of biodiversity, particularly in fragile ecosystems. Carnivorous plants are also like nature's own pest control. Consider the Venus Flytrap, for example. Its diet consists mostly of ants, flies, and spiders. By controlling the population of these insects, it helps to maintain a balanced ecosystem. Without carnivorous plants, the number of certain insects could skyrocket, causing a ripple effect that could potentially destabilize the ecosystem. But their role goes beyond just being nature's exterminators. Some carnivorous plants, like pitcher plants, create microhabitats within their traps. These tiny ecosystems provide a home for a whole host of organisms, from insect larvae to microorganisms, contributing to the overall biodiversity in their habitats. Additionally, carnivorous plants offer a rich field for scientific research. Their unique trapping mechanisms and digestive processes are subjects of ongoing study. Some of this research has potential applications in human medicine. For instance, compounds found in the Venus flytrap have been studied for their potential use in treating conditions like cancer and immune disorders. Carnivorous plants, with their alien-like appearances and meat-eating habits, have also inspired countless works of art, literature, and film. They remind us of the wondrous diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. So the next time you come across a Venus flytrap or a pitcher plant, remember that they're more than just fascinating curiosities. They're essential players in our ecosystems, performing roles that help maintain balance and diversity. They're also silent sentinels, indicators of the health of the environment around them. These meat-eating plants, while fascinating, are also a vital part of our world. Now that we've delved into the world of carnivorous plants, let's summarize what we learned today. We embarked on a journey into a realm where plants are not just silent, passive observers of the environment, but active hunters, turning the tables on the animal kingdom. We were introduced to the most incredible meat-eating plant, the Nepenthes Rajah, a plant that's not only a marvel of evolution, but also a testament to the power of adaptation. Native to the rainforests of Borneo, this plant has evolved to lure, trap, and digest insects and even small mammals, providing it with the nutrients that are scarce in its natural habitat. We explored the fascinating methods carnivorous plants use to ensnare their prey, from the sticky, adhesive traps of sundews to the elaborate pitfall traps of pitcher plants, and the astonishing speed of the Venus flytrap snap trap. These mechanisms are ingenious adaptations to nutrient-poor environments, revealing the resilience and versatility of life on our planet. We also learned about the importance of carnivorous plants. Beyond their unique hunting abilities, these plants play crucial roles in their ecosystems. They control pest populations, contribute to nutrient cycling, and even provide habitats for various organisms. Remember, nature is full of surprises, and carnivorous plants are one of its most intriguing wonders. So next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate these remarkable plants and the complex, captivating world they inhabit.